Freelance writing can be a great way to earn extra income. It's also a flexible job that allows you to work from home, but it's not for everyone. So here are 9 signs that freelance writing is not for you.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
The first one is if you don't like writing. This one seems pretty obvious, but if you don't like writing, then freelance writing is probably not the right career choice for you. While there are some aspects of freelance writing that don't involve actual writing, such as marketing and networking, the majority of your time will be spent creating content. If you're not passionate about writing, it's likely that you won't enjoy this line of work. Number 2, you don't have good writing skills. In order to be a successful freelance writer, you need to have strong writing skills. This includes being able to write clearly and concisely, as well as having good grammar and punctuation skills. If you don't feel confident in your ability to produce high quality content, then freelance writing might not be the right path for you. 3, you don't like working alone. Freelance writing can be a lonely profession. If you prefer working in an office environment or enjoy collaborative projects, then freelance writing may not be the best fit for you. This job requires spending long hours alone at your computer, so it's important to make sure that you are comfortable with this type of work setup before getting started. 4, you struggle with self-discipline. Working from home can be great, but it also requires a high level of self-discipline. If you have trouble staying focused and motivated when working on your own, then freelance writing might not be the best option for you. Without someone else to hold you accountable, it's really easy to fall behind or get sidetracked when working from home. 5, you don't like change. The freelance writing industry is constantly changing. New technologies are always emerging, which means writers need to continuously adapt their skill sets in order to stay ahead of the curve. If you don't like change or aren't willing to learn new things, then freelance writing might not be right for you. 6, you hate making decisions. Freelance writing requires you to make a lot of decisions. What topic should you write about? How much should you charge per article? Okay, when will you work on projects? If making decisions stresses you out, then freelance writing is not for you. 7, you don't handle pressure well. Let me tell you this, as a freelance writer, you will often have deadlines to meet. If you can't handle the pressure of meeting deadlines, then freelance writing is not for you. 8, you are not motivated. If you lack motivation, it will be difficult to succeed as a freelance writer. It takes a lot of self-discipline to work from home and meet deadlines. If you don't think you can motivate yourself, then consider something else. 9, you don't like criticism. As a freelance writer, you receive feedback from clients and editors. If you can't handle criticism, then it's best to find another line of work. You see, most of the time this feedback won't always be positive. Someone else will be like, you know what, your writing sucks. Someone else will be like, yeah, just leave this alone. So if you can't handle that, then maybe this is not for you. So guys, that's it. Those are the 9 signs that freelance writing is not for you. So what do you think? Let's talk in the comments.